Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ultimate steak jelly CRK. Start by picking a well-marbled cut and trimming excess fat while keeping connective tissue intact. Season lightly and cool the meat so it releases clear stock when simmered. Simmer gently with aromatics until collagen converts to gelatin, then strain carefully for clarity. Chill the strained stock in shallow pans for quick setting and slice into neat portions once firm. To make a top-quality steak jelly CRK, gather bones, trimmings, and connective tissue, then roast briefly for deeper flavor before simmering. Maintain a low simmer and avoid boiling to preserve clarity and delicate taste. Skim foam and excess fat regularly to prevent cloudiness and off flavors. Use aromatic vegetables and a splash of acid to balance the stock, then strain through a fine cloth for a pristine, firm jelly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, bold scent that keeps your drive pleasant while you perfect kitchen techniques. I've found it keeps the car smelling fresh between long prep sessions and late-night cooking runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When the stock is fully strained, cool it rapidly in shallow trays to encourage even setting and prevent bacterial growth. Once firm, trim any excess fat and slice into consistent portions for elegant presentation. Reheat gently if needed, using a warm water bath to soften edges while preserving structure. Serve with bright acid, crunchy elements, and a sprinkle of finishing salt to highlight the deep beef flavor of the steak jelly CRK.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.